Strengthening Faith 63. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to discuss. It reported on the importance of learning from the past. It is important for a Muslim to understand a key truth, namely, nothing in creation occurs without a wise reason, even if people do not observe this wisdom immediately. A Muslim should treat everything which occurs, whether they are facing times of ease or difficulty, as a message in a bottle. They should not get too caught up in assessing and examining the bottle, as it is merely a messenger which delivers the important message. This occurs when Muslims either exult over the good things which occur, thereby becoming heedless to the message within the good thing, or they become grieved during difficulties, thereby becoming too distracted to understand the message within the difficulty. They should instead concentrate on following the advice of the Holy Quran and approach each situation in a balanced way. Chapter 57 Al-Hadith, verse 23.
In order that you not despair over what has eluded you, and not exult in pride over what He has given you.
This verse does not prohibit being happy or sad in different situations, as this is a part of human nature. But it advises a balanced approach whereby one avoids extreme emotions, namely, exultant, which is excessive happiness, or grief, which is excessive sadness. This balanced approach will allow one to focus their mind on the more important message inside the bottle, meaning, inside the situation, whether it is a situation of ease or difficulty. Through assessing, understanding and acting on the hidden message, a Muslim can improve their worldly and religious life for the better. Sometimes the message will be a wake-up call to turn back to Allah, the Exalted, before their time runs out. Sometimes it will be a way of raising their rank. Other times a way of erasing their sins, and sometimes a reminder not to attach themselves to the temporal material world and the things in it. Without this assessment, one will merely journey through events without improving their worldly or religious life. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.